everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Ashwati. Students, in this lecture, I'm going to discuss about the career options available for those who have cracked the UGC NET JRF examination. As you know that after cracking any eligibility test, your next focus is like all about your future. Like what you can do with that particular certificate, even after doing your engineering degree or after the completion of MBA or whatsoever it is. The next focus is all about what about the better job prospects. So here in this lecture, I'll be discussing about the job prospects for those who have cracked the UGC NET examination, UGC NET JRF examination. Now, there are so many options are available, and the option number one, which is one of the most important option that I would say that is the reason why I am explaining it as the first option. As an assistant professor, you can be like, you can start working as an assistant professor in various central, state, deemed and private universities. So there are two methods available. One is through the direct recruitment. You just need to, you need a master's level education. Your degree should be there, whether it is MA, MSc, MTech or whatsoever it is. Plus, you have cracked the NET examination. Then you become the eligible candidate to at least apply for the post of assistant professorship. And the second method is about through the examination. Like various state public service commissions regularly, or we can say that sometimes yearly, they conduct examination for the recruitment of assistant professor, and this is through an examination, and there is no universal method for the for all the state public service commissions that how they conduct the examination. It varies state to state. Like for Kerala Public Service Commission examination for assistant professor, they have an subjective examination. Like the different state commissions have different types of examination that you have to keep it in mind, and please keep an eye on all the important notifications. And this is a very important one. After you crack your UGC NET examination, it means that you are eligible to apply for the post of assistant professor across India. Different central universities, different colleges, different state universities, different colleges affiliated with that of state universities, deemed universities and private universities. So this is going to be a kind of a very good career approach. Like first you start in the academics, directly getting recruited as an assistant professor. Let's check out the option number 2. This is about if you have JRF, then you can start working with various research institutes spread across India. Let's say that projects you can take up, or you can start working as a project fellow or whatsoever, a junior research fellow, etc., which are associated with central universities, state universities, private universities, plus with various government-run institutes as well. Then after, we have so many think tanks also in India, which are some are related to environment, some are related to foreign policy, public policy making. So many think tanks are there in the country. So some of the think tanks are directly funded or sponsored by the government. Some are having public-private partnerships. Some are wholly they're funded by private institutes as well. So you can work with the think tanks as well. Then after, career advancement in accordance to position, like if you start as a junior research fellow, then you can be promoted as a senior research fellow. When you start your career as a project fellow, then the position, or we can say that the career advancement position will be senior project fellow. Then if you are starting as a project assistant or as a project associate, then in the career advancement, you can become senior project assistant or associate. So this is the option number 2, which is available with you if you have the NET UGC NET certificate, or we can say the UGC NET JRF certificate. Next option, this is about the public sector undertakings or PSUs in India. Now here you have we can say that there are so many options available for you. Like you can these PSUs hire for these following posts. Basically, you can work in the research and development, R&D. You can work in the corporate communications as well. Here also UGC NET certificate is a very essential qualification in the human resources section as well as in the marketing. So here you can see that you are having bundle of opportunities if you crack the UGC NET examination. This is option number 3 with PSUs. Then option number 4, to work as a teaching assistant or associate in various universities as well as with various institutes spread across India. So here in various government or institutes have TA positions. UGC NET is either a required qualification or a desirable qualification as well. It means that if you have UGC NET certificate with you, then it is an added benefit as well. So this is for the position of TA. TA can be teaching assistant or a teaching associate. This is option number 4. Then we have option number 5, which is miscellaneous. It means that there are so many other opportunities which is not going to be put in any particular frame, right? So here you can work as a consultant with various ministries, with the state governments as well as with the central government. You can work as a content writer also. You can start working as a copywriter if you are very good with writing. Then you can start teaching in career guidance institutions as well. So these are some of the other options which are available to you people if you have the UGC NET certificate. Last but not the least and very important one, students, please listen to this very carefully. Academic jobs for NET SET PhD qualified candidates. Now here what you have to do today, you have to check out the UGC academic portal, where you will find a section that the academic job portal is an initiative taken by the University Grants Commission which helps NET SET PhD qualified candidates to bring their academic profile to the attention of universities, colleges and other employers with the ultimate aim to get them a suitable job. It means that UGC has an academic portal where you can register yourself. Please students, do that ASAP. The portal facilitates candidates to register and create their profile online. So it means that it will actually, the aim is to get them a suitable job. And here the academic job portal facilitates the employers to search and browse academic profile of candidates available on this portal. The portal also facilitates employers to register and post the job vacancies on this portal so that candidates can apply against the vacancies. So it means that the government has taken a very big initiative here. You can check out, you can register yourself there, and please do visit this website regularly. So that what if you find a good job match for you and you can apply it right away. So this is one of the best thing that UGC has done for those candidates who have done their NET SET as well as PhD. And it is basically for those candidates who have qualified the NET examination, SET examination, as well as they are holding PhD degree. So that's all in this class, students. Thank you and see you in another lecture. Bye.